So this is our website. Your website will be 100% successful will be created. Suppose you can take your website backup, nothing but your files. So every website backups are mandatory every week using by cpanel. Suppose any knowledge of cpanel, we can easily download by your options. If you don't know idea, you can check the here. The cpanel will be two types. Your login will be two types. One is called WHA with the cpanel and direct cpanel. So if you log in for direct cpanel, mydomain.com/cpanel. The login will be two access. mydomain.com/cpanel. Suppose in a cpanel you're not understanding by your username and password. Okay, this will be. So first I'm logging for cpanel here. This will be login with the username and password. Suppose you forget the password. We'll log in one more process called web hosting manager. That is called go to web hosting manager. Select your site. So my site will be seasonswim.com. Now is my site. Understand now? Here the showing option call is cpanel. Okay, click. Individual login with the WH. Do procedure. In this, if you backup your website, go to file manager. In this file manager, the option call is public_HTML. Total website files will be download by the public_HTML. Select the public_HTML. Select your all, and this will be not accessories. Now in this, right click. What the option call is compress. Select the compress with the one name. With the one name. So that is called season stream. Today date and compress the file. The file will be total zip by one folder. After zip the done, you can download the file. This is a totally secure your website. Every week we have to back up your total website to after changes. So by your changes done by today, so many changes. Update by the download the backup within a changes of seconds. It's a mandatory field particular website to change your any option to download your backups. Every website backup is needed by the every week. It's clear? So they create the file. Maximum the file will be creating for based on the website space. It will be dynamic. It will take hourly base. Static. It will be taking for 1 minute to maximum 10 minutes based on the uploaded content and images. Now you can upload in here. Done. Setting for less than minute. After that, click for reload. Select your file where you can setting by date. See this one. How much MB? 281.32 MB. Select it. Click for download. Without zip, we can't download the total files. One by one will take that time. So that is called all files will come into zip format. You can download your desktop. In WHM, you can log in for n number of website will be content. N number of website content. To use one login and one password to access the n number of cpanel access. So downloading that, I can check by option is called show in folder. See the format. How much? 281 MB. Is that correct? To check the your MB will be how much? 281 So this is called, you can download by the total website backup using WHM and cpanel.